Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 7/5 of 2020 and the stock was HPQ. This happened on the 2nd, that was a Thursday, last day of the week because Friday was a holiday. This was based on a daily major resistance area. Entry was based on a 5-minute major resistance DTS sell setup. The reward to risk was about 2.4 to 1 and management was simple. Before we take a look at this trade, here is the event coming up this week. Wednesday, July 8th, will be an event called The Only Two Times You Have an Edge. You can read about it here. Be sure if you're not a DTS member that you get over to the DTS homepage and sign up to become a free member, where you'll get invites to this and to all future events as well. This is the daily chart of HPQ as it looked before the open on the 2nd. This is the setup I was looking at, and looking at this area right through here as being a resistance area that would likely cause a drop for one day. After the day of the trade, the stock looked like that. This is a 60-minute chart, and you can see reflected here that rally into the resistance area on the daily chart looks like this on the hourly chart. This is not a perfect setup because we came back up here to test this area from a much higher location. It wasn't actually a favorite of mine that morning, and you'll see the entry didn't come about till 10:30. I'll explain that in just a minute. Right there is where the stock is going to rally to. It rallied there fairly quickly. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. And if you notice back on the 60-minute chart, this is that 1760 area that we ran into. You can see that here in the 5-minute chart, 1760, that's that area right in here. That's where the stock opened. And right there is that resistance area from the 60-minute chart that you can see. Even though I didn't love the setup the way it happened on the 60-minute chart, what happened was the relative weakness came into play for me because the market was rallying and this stock continued to stall time after time right in this area. So we got into that 10:30 reversal time and took it short off of that 10:30 high right in there. You can see it a little bit better on the 1-minute chart we'll get to next. Entry came right in there, 1756, stop at 1772. This was a much wider stop than I really needed to use. This could have had really double the profit if I would have gone real aggressive with the share size on a tighter stop, but was giving it a little bit of room in this case. Target 1 was fairly quick, right at 1740 for 1/3. And then the back 2/3 I ended up trailing, and it ended up going all the way into the close, which was the intent. So 2/3 of this into the close for a really nice profit. First third a little bit quick. Overall, really nice trade. You can see the 1-minute chart here, and you can see that 10:30 right there, that 10:30 high that was taken after the market refused to propel the stock any higher. Quick target at target number 1 there, and then target number 2 is off the chart into the close. If you like this trading style, this, like all the trades you see in these DTS Trade of the Week videos, are done in the DTS Trading Room. You can come along and join us. We really focus on hitting it hard that opening hour of the day. We're sometimes there to manage and occasionally looking for things later in the day, but mostly we hit it hard in the morning and call it a day. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.